Already ruined my screen recorder on my brand new phone that I just got from Spectrum. I know it doesn't record audio during phone calls. I'm not sure if it's going to record audio at all. My screen recorder, when I first got my Samsung Galaxy S22, used to record audio during phone calls, which is how I caught Liberty Yellow Cab off guard on June 21st, impersonating a friend of mine that I didn't know at the time. His name was Mike Manning, and they tried to sell me car insurance and desperately trying to make me say the word yes. I didn't know that voice recognition was going to be a thing in the near future after that. I don't know what their purpose of trying to make me say the word yes was, but once he got it out of me and he was ready to hang up the phone, I caught him by surprise and said, "Hey, by the way, you're being recorded." And he put me on hold where my former employer's unique hold music ceased to exist the day I posted it on Facebook. And they were giving me the Black Car Fund for driver benefits. When I called it 4 months ago, they had that same hold music that I snuffed away on June 21st. And then I got a phone call the other day from some dual security, it said, and it was now urgent care, they claimed. And they said I had to put in a claim for the car accidents that I've been in.